Guys showed up, gonna be running some laps. Check it out.
Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, comment, interact with the video. We're trying to get these videos out to as many people as we can. Keep getting comments. Thank you for the input. Thank you for the advice. Thank you for the help. If we can get these videos out to more than a couple of hundred people, it would really help out a lot more people. Watch these videos as long as you can. They're not really long. I try and make them short so you guys can stick around. Comment. At the end of the video, we got a nice little lay down on a dirt bike. Yep, Yanni done had a little lay down, get off. Broke the lever. Had the mechanic push the bike back to the shop because, well, yep, that's what the mechanic does. I'm the cameraman, I'm the mechanic. Not a whole lot of videos of me on here unless I'm doing it myself because, well, who else is gonna hold the camera? Memberships are available. We got over 1,000 videos on the channel. Check it out. Let's get to as many people as we can. Thanks, everybody. Enjoy the ride video. This is the track that is behind the shop. This is my test and tune track, and it's a 3rd, 4th gear quad track. Tony is a 4-time Dade City ATV MX champion. Yanni's his cousin. We're trying to get him some motocross training. We've got builds on this channel. We do a lot of motocross stuff, builds, rides, all kinds of different stuff. Check out the video. Been doing this stuff over 30 years. I'm co-founder of the Florida ATC Syndicate. We brought motocross racing for 3-wheelers back to Florida. We've had a couple of ATC nationals. Those videos are on the channel also. Check it all out. We'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video.
bike rut. You're blowing out my quad rut. I think your front tire went up.
We got it on video, but yeah, he oops.
Look at me. Yeah, say something to the camera.
Say something to the camera.
Goggles off.
You okay? All good?
Betty Lane. Yeah, we're good.
So yeah, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, follow button, comment. Let me know what you think. You guys ride? Kind of nice having a track in the backyard where we can test stuff, that's for sure. People come over, they get laps in, seat time's always important. See you guys in the next one. Have a great day.